Okay, welcome to my PowerPoint video on how to perform a dual boot. We're going to be talking about Vista and Windows 7. When you do a dual boot install, the older operating system should already be working on your computer. If this is a clean install of both operating systems, then make sure that the older one is put on first. Before you install Windows, you will want to create a new partition on your hard drive to hold this second operating system. If you need to shrink a partition to make room for a second partition, you're going to want to use the disk management in Windows Vista before you begin the Windows 7 installation. Disk management can also be used to create a new partition to hold the Windows 7 installation and format that partition. The Windows 7 volume must be formatted using the NTFS file system. So in order to create a new partition in Windows Vista, you'll want to right-click on Computer and select Manage. So from your orb, you'll go to Computer, right-click on that, choose Manage, and then Disk Management. You'll want to find the drive. This is the Disk Management window. You'll want to find the drive and right-click on the free space and select New Simple Version, which looks like this. So you would right-click and select New Simple Version. In the next wizard box, you're going to choose the size of the partition. You'll click Next. Then you'll assign a drive letter. Click Next. And then you're going to format your new partition, and you need to make sure that you use the NTFS file system. Click Next and then Finish. So from there you can begin the installation from either the Windows desktop or by booting from the Windows 7 DVD. So you'll either be starting from the Vista Windows desktop or booting from the Windows 7 DVD. Okay, so it's now you're pretty much going to follow the same as if you were doing a clean install. So you'll be selecting the language and other preferences, clicking Next. You'll click Install Now. You'll accept the terms. You're going to choose the custom or advanced type of installation. And then on this next screen, it will give you the list of your partitions. You're going to want to choose the new one that you created for this installation. Make sure it's not the one that you have the older operating system on, because when you install Windows 7, it will replace any other operating system on that partition. So make the appropriate selection and click Next. The installation will move forward and will restart your computer several times. At the end of the process, you will be asked for a username and computer name. Then you're going to be creating a user password and or a password for your user account and a hint. Okay. And then this is where you're going to be putting in the next will come the product key. Remember that you can continue from here with Windows 7 without the product key, but only for 7 days. They will allow you a 7-day, it'll run in a trial mode for 30 days, 30 days, not 7 days. A trial mode for 30 days, but you must activate Windows within the 30 days, otherwise you will not be able to access Windows 7 on your computer. In a dual boot, I'm not sure, you may not be able to access your computer at all, so I don't know what you do then. Okay, on the next screens, you're going to protect your computer. You're going to review your time and date settings and select your network. The Windows update will download and install the updates, and when it restarts at the boot up screen, you should be able to choose between the Windows Vista or Windows 7. Now, you may notice that when you boot into Windows 7, you won't be able to access the Vista partition. This is because in Windows 7, both the partitions are registered as drive C. So it only displays the partition that the system boots up with. To solve this issue, you simply go back into the disk management through Windows 7, right-click on the Vista partition, and change the drive letter. When you boot up in Vista, Vista will be drive C. All right, so good luck. Have fun with that.